taking the time to have your website redesigned, there are three things you really want to make sure that you hit. Number one, you want to make sure that you are taking care of your current traffic that Google is sending you. So by doing too big of a change, too drastic of a change, it can actually have an inverse effect on the traffic that you are already getting. So you want to take an audit of your website to see where your keywords are, the structure of your website, and take that into account when designing the new website. The second thing you want to do when you are designing and having your website redesigned, rebuilt, is to categorize all your products and services. Make sure that they are affiliated with like-minded products and services, so that anything that you do, the site structure is related to itself. Pretty much like a grocery store has all their products like grouped together, all the condiments, the ketchup, the mustard, the mayo, the relish, all that stuff is in the condiment section. So you kind of want to keep that in mind when you're doing the redesign of your website, so that you have your products and services all categorized properly so that it makes sense for the visitor. And the third thing you want to do is make sure that the site loads quickly. That is very important. A lot of times when a website is redone or redesigned, that is something that is not thought about, because you want to make sure that the website loads in under 2 seconds. That's the sweet spot. It's best if you're under 1 second, but with so many websites adding video into their design, that is not always possible, but that sweet spot is 2 seconds or below. So just to recap, what you want to take into consideration when you are having your website redesigned is, one, audit what you already have. Take note of the keywords, where they are, because you don't really want to lose all that traffic. Number two is to have a game plan with the site structure. Make sure that you've got your products and services all categorized so that they'll work with each other. And the third thing is, make sure it loads fast, because if somebody's sitting there waiting for 4 or 5 seconds for your website to load, they're going to bounce. They're going to go to somebody else whose website is loading much faster. So I hope you find that helpful. Again, my name is Richard Blount. I am the founder and CEO of Four Winds Agency. We love working with companies that are excited about the products and services that they are provided and are looking to grow. And if you like what I've shared, please click the like button, subscribe for more information. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them listed below. I'd be happy to address them personally. Y'all take care. Bye.